All right, y'all, welcome back for the D's Garage. So as y'all can see, we got the Buick GS back up in here again. So real quick, what I wanted to do was I wanted to test this battery. I bought a new battery. Um, so I bring my tester from work so I can test this battery. But what I wanted to tell y'all though, I wanted to stress that whenever y'all buy a new battery, y'all should just get it checked before you leave the store. Like have them check your battery first before you buy it, because that's pretty much what happened to me. I bought a battery, a good battery, but I bought it off of Amazon, and more than likely that battery was sitting, for the longest until somebody bought it. So I think that's what I think what happened. So paid a lot of money for that battery. It was a waste of time. So and even when I bought this battery, I forgot to test it and ask them to test it. But usually when you get a battery from out of one of these like auto parts stores in the neighborhood, they batteries get replenished all the time because people's always buying them. So real quick, I'm gonna test this battery. So since my battery got the side post and the top post, it'll be easy for me to test this battery just because of that fact that they have this top and side post. So I'm gonna take these leads, put one on the positive, and we're gonna put one on the negative. So now it's gonna light up. Now this is an old battery tester. I had it for a minute, but this is really all you really need at the end of the day. Something simple like this. They got other battery testers. They got other battery testers like where they print out like a little receipt, basically telling you like, all right, what the battery did. But something like that, you only need that in like a shop. So like you could give to the customer right here, it's printed out bad, blah blah blah. But even this will tell you that your battery is bad. You still don't need a receipt, but it looks more professional in the shop. But this is all you really need, something like this. Let me see. So let's test it real quick. So bam, surface charges are 1279. Basically, surface charges means your battery's at rest, your car been off for a while, blah blah blah. Your car's just sitting here. That's your surface charge. That's very good surface charge right there. 12.79. Actually, that's a lot. That's crazy. That's superb right there. Because it's the Buick Regal. All right, anyway. So 12.79 is where we at. We're going to hit enter. All right, so you choose what type of battery you got. This is just a regular standard battery. All right, so now you got to put in your cold cranking amps. And this has 690 cold cranking amps, which is not bad. It's not bad. I prefer 750, 780. That's what I had on my old Duralast AGM battery, which is a diehard battery, which is who makes these people here. Odyssey makes diehard batteries. That shit broke on me though. So, but this ain't bad. 690 cold cranking amps, 115 reserve capacity. That's for when like you're sitting there playing your radio and shit. All right. Cranking amps is 860. Cold cranking amps is 690. That's what you want to worry about. Because when it's cold, that's when your battery got to work the most, the hardest. So we're going to put this up to 690. So 690. All right. And then we're going to hit enter. All right. So it came up at 713 cold cranking amp. So it's just a little overcharged because I was driving it earlier. So that's good. Then you scroll down. SOC means state of charge. 100%. I'm fully charged, y'all. Fully charged. That's good. I got 4.47 ohms of resistance through the battery, so that's good. It's not too high. It's right where it needs to be. And then right here you got state of health, SOH, 100%. Damn, this battery is killing it right now. Yeah, and I had it in there for like, I don't know, it's been like a week now, a full week. So it start every time I start it, but I don't know, a couple times it kind of hesitated, but that's usually what these Buicks do. They don't always start right away, but then there's times when they do start like right away. You know, they be switching up and shit. So here we go. We're good. That's 100%. 100%. Damn. Surface charge is nice. All right, so you just take these cables off. You can probably grab this joint on Amazon for like $60 or something. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know that, like, whenever y'all buy a battery, make sure you get it tested before you buy it. You know what I mean? So you buy it, let them test it before you walk out the store. Well, no, you get them to test it. It's good, then you buy it and walk out the store. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all that, show y'all do the battery test. I think I had that on the channel before though, but yeah, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.